This song is called Sailing Down the River. Here we go. I am sailing down the river to collect my girl who's waiting for me. I arrive at the side of the pub where she's waiting there for me. Step on our boat, let's go for a ride down the river in our lovely boat, enjoying life, taking in the lovely sights, enjoying life together like we should. Oh, me and my girl are sailing down the river, taking all the sights that we can see. Me and my girl got a drink in our hands, taking all the sights that we can see. We are steering our boat. The sun is out. It's a lovely day. It makes you proud to be alive as I get another beer out of the fridge. Oh, me and my girl are sailing down the river, taking all the sights that we can see. Me and my girl got another drink in our hands, taking all the sights that we can see. Now it's time to fill our bellies, so we decide to have a barbecue. We decide to anchor down and call it a day. Just for now, we call it a day. Oh, we decide to call it a day just for now. We decide to call it a day just for now. We decide to call it a day just for now. Oh, yes, we do. We decide to call it a day. Yeah! Something to do, innit?